Hello everyone, 2010 Volvo XC60, and we will replace a sway bar link on this car. So we have injected up on a jack stand. Now we'll just remove wheel lug bolts, 19 mil, and I will leave all the links for the parts and tools in the description to this video, so please check those out. I'm just using Milwaukee half-inch impact with almost 1500 pound losing torque. So as you can see, here we have sway bar link connected at the bottom and at the top. We already replaced on the other side. So those are 15 mil nuts. But before we get to those, we will grease them with WD-40. I'll just give a little spray over here and over there. So to get those out, you will need 5 H5 Allen key to insert them inside if those are factory sway bar links, which I believe these are. So we'll use 5 inside and 15 mil outside. So we'll use impact just to get those loose, at least on top. So now it spins, so we will use 15 mil wrench, and we will try to cheat here a bit, and we will use smaller impact with H5 Allen key inside and see if this would work. One thing that was the impact, since you're inside, you want to go clockwise. Okay, and this is out. So next we'll move to the bottom one. There is no room for the impact, so we will use 15 mil ratcheting wrench, I should say, and H5. So we'll just try to get it loose. Oh, it is crazy tight at this point. So now when it's spinning, we'll use H5 inside. And we'll work our way out. The worst case scenario, if those H5 get stripped, you can always cut the old one off. I just hate cutting it because you will burn some rubber. It will make terrible stinky smell inside the garage. So if you can remove it, just remove it with the tools you have, and if it's stripped, cut it off. As a replacement, we are using Moog heavy duty with grease nipples, and I will leave the links to the part in the description to the video. So with the Moog ones, we're actually able to hold the shaft from the bottom, the attachment bolt. So it's 18 mil to hold, and not the same 15 mil as before. So we will get the bottom one started, and so far those suspension parts from Moog have been really good for myself. Never had the issue with those. One complaint is that for some reason that they get rusty quite fast. So kind of after 6 months they don't look that new anymore, but in terms of lasting, they last forever if you maintain them and put just a little bit of extra grease when you service the car. So those all are started, so now we can use our impact as before on the upper one. So we'll just go behind with 18 mil. And now with the bottom one, we will just use the same ratcheting wrench to get it tight while holding with 18 mil. Sorry, my arms can be on your way. But that's what you do, not the rocket science. You get this tight. So now when the bottom and top is tight, we'll just put 2 pumps of grease into top and bottom one. 2, maybe even a little bit too much. Basically you want to look and see when the rubber boot is starting to expand, so not to put too much stress on it. But other than that, the other side is absolutely the same. So we'll put the back wheel on, we'll torque it to 100 foot-pounds and call it done. So please like and subscribe, please check the links to the parts and the tools, and as always, do it yourself.